Hey everybody, today I'm prepping some lamb chops to be grilled tomorrow for our anniversary dinner. In the bag here I've made up a marinade with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some water, some olive oil, and some crushed mint, some dill, some herbs de Provence, and some adobo seasoning. I don't measure, so I can't tell you exactly how much. I just sort of eyeball it, but it's what I've been doing for years. I learned to cook from my grandmother's cookbook that said a pinch of this and a dash of that and a dollop of such and such, so that's how I cook. Alright, so now I've got the lamb chops in the bag with the marinade. I've mixed them all around pretty good, so the marinade pretty evenly covers them. And I will pop that in the fridge tonight. I'll turn it several times tonight and during the day tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening they will go on the to go with our lamb chops that are about to go on the grill. We have some diced potatoes that I have coated in melted butter, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, and a decent amount of Italian seasoning, and those will go over there in the air fryer in just a minute. And we have some vegetables, carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli, sauteing in some butter here. Simple but delicious. And we have the lamb chops all nicely marinated and ready to go on the grill. The grill's nice and heated. And the lamb chops will stay on the grill for a total of about 16 minutes. They're about an inch thick, so I'll cook them for about 8 minutes on each side. And this will bring them to a nice medium to medium well doneness. And dinner is ready to be served. We have our nicely grilled lamb chops, our air fried chopped up potatoes, and our sauteed vegetables.